Hey guys, it's Angel here. After a 2-month hiatus, I'm finally back with another video here on YouTube. And for today's video, it's going to be an unboxing of my skincare haul from Shopee. And actually guys, noong June ko pa to binili, pero ngayon ko lang siya inopen. Well, inopen ko siya ng June, but we are finally going to do an unboxing of the products mismo. So today, sakto, naubusan ako ng skincare. As in, naubos na siya talaga kanina umaga. So naisip ko, why don't I do an unboxing to show you guys my new skincare routine. And I have to be honest, just like what I said in my last skincare video, I'm not taking good care of my skin lately kasi paggabi, parang tinatamad na talaga ako. But this time, discipline lang, and I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine na talaga. So, let's do this. Okay guys, so naka-open na yung box because I checked if everything is here. So, these are all products from NACIFIC Philippines, and these products came from Korea. Okay, so let's see. I'm just checking on my Shopee page kung ano yung binili ko guys. And I bought the Fresh Herb Serum, buy one, get one free. So, the Fresh Herb Origin Serum and yung Glow Intensive Essence na bubble. And then, I also bought yung set nitong Fresh Cica Toner, Cream, and Serum. So, the reason why I bought these sets, guys, kasi ito yung recommended sa akin ng social media manager nila when I asked if ano yung recommendation niya. And then, she gave me my own skincare routine. So, mamaya explain ko sa inyo, guys, what the routine is. And then, I also got some freebies. I'm so happy that they gave me an eye cream. This is the Fresh Herb eye cream. And then, they also gave me their phyto-niacin mask. So, I'm so happy guys kasi hindi naman ako bumili nito, and I got, feeling ko full to, itong eye cream. I got the full version ng eye cream nila and then 2 masks. So, I'm really happy with my purchase. Now, let's move on to the personalized skincare routine that the social media manager made just for me. I know some of you guys might be skeptical when it comes to buying skincare products online kasi minsan, di ba, hindi nagre-reply yung mga sellers or they can't give you your routine. But this particular shop, yung social media manager nila, marunong siya gumawa ng skincare routine, and she made one for me for day and night. So, for day, ang ginawa niya sa akin is using the products din na sabi ko that I really wanted. So for day, ang suggestion niya, use the toner first, and then the serum na Fresh Cica, and then cream na Fresh Cica. So use the whole Fresh Cica line in the morning, but since they gave me a freebie na eye cream, I should use this eye cream first before the clear cream. But if you want to put makeup, I suggest instead of the clear cream, you can replace it with this Glow Intensive kasi under makeup it looks really good. So these are the 4 products that I should be using in the morning. And then the evening naman is very similar. Meron lang onting pagkakaiba sa products. Okay, so for evening guys, yung ginawa niya sa akin is use the toner, and then instead of the Fresh Cica serum, I'm supposed to use the Fresh Herb Serum because yung Fresh Herb Serum is oil-based, so recommended siya sa gabi. And then, baliktad pala, eye cream and yung clear cream. So, ayun yung nighttime skincare routine. So right now guys, I'm just looking at their listing, and then naalala ko na sobrang Tagalog nga pala nung listing nila sa ibaba. But it's very easy to see naman kasi sa Shopee naman siya. Itong Fresh Cica line nila guys, it's made for sensitive skin. Tas parang fire extinguisher serum. So yan, sabi, Fresh Cica set ay skincare para sa dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. Tapos, naglalaman ito ng green Cica complex. And, para siya sa acne at troubled skin. Although, hindi naman ako acne prone, pero kasi medyo sensitive yung skin ko when it comes to makeup and skincare. Hindi siya nag-acne pero nag-flare up siya and then parang nagkaka-rashes. So, that's why I chose this line kasi sabi it's for sensitive skin. And then also, the reason why I bought these two sets, itong Fresh Herb Serum and yung Glow Intensive Essence, kasi yung Fresh Herb Serum, it's for all ages daw, and this is to promote glowing skin. And then yung Glow Intensive Essence, from the name itself, for glowing skin din siya. So, ayun guys, I will open this and then let's see. So guys, as we open this, I'm also going to try them out on my face para malaman natin how it feels like. So first, let's start with the Fresh Cica Toner. This is just my normal cotton rounds. And dahil tipid ako actually, hinahati ko to sa dalawa. I think I have to shake first. This is the Fresh Cica Toner. Oh! Naka-close siya. Very good. Naka-sealed. It smells good. It smells minty. A little bit minty. Alam niyo guys, yung scent niya, parang hindi mo siya halos maamoy. So, that's very good. May wala siya kapag inamoy mo talaga yung bottle. And then, medyo may pagka-mint yung feeling niya on the face. So, very relaxing. I like it. I just don't think that I will be able to say my exact thoughts kasi it's a first impressions video. But, nakuha naman niya yung mga dumi sa mukha ko. So, okay. Let's move on. Since morning pa lang ngayon, let's use the Plus Clear Serum. It smells the same. Kasi pareho silang line. Actually. Feels really good. Very thin lang yung consistency niya. So, madali lang siya mawala. But, yeah. That's what I like. Ayoko nang masyadong thick consistency. So, let's see how it feels like on my face. Wala akong mirror eh. So, malabo pa naman mata ko. I can't see the viewfinder ng camera. It feels like a toner. The serum is different. Usually, yung mga serums, medyo thick sila. But, this is the morning serum naman kasi, guys. So, I think, mas thick to kasi oil siya. Pero, I will just try this one tonight. Pero, amuyin lang natin, guys, kasi ibang line to. This is their fresh herb line. Citrus din yung amoy niya. It's almost the same. Pero, yeah, it smells good. So now, let's try the freebie. This is their Fresh Herb Eye Cream. This is also thin. Yung consistency din niya. It's not so creamy. Although I like it kasi hindi siya mabigat sa mukha. But, I don't know. It smells the same. So far, it feels good. Pero I wouldn't say na sobrang creamy siya. It's not that thick. And then next, we have this Fresh Cica Clear Cream. Cream siya, diba? So, I'm expecting a creamy consistency. Pero, it's more of a gel-like consistency. It's thin. Madali lang siya i-apply sa face. You don't need to drag your face. Hindi siya creamy eh. Hindi siya super creamy. Para siyang may pagka-whipped cream kind of creamy. So, that's why I like it naman. Oh! Okay, I can say na moisturizing talaga yung feeling niya. Okay, so last one, we have the Glow Intensive Essence. Itatry ko rin to, although it's not supposed to be used with the cream. Ayan, this is thicker, guys. Pero as you can see, madali lang siyang mahulog. It's hindi sobrang creamy talaga yung consistency nila. I was not expecting this. Pero, ang sarap niya i-apply. Very moisturizing yung feeling niya afterwards. Okay, that one is supposed to glow, kaya glowy na ba? Yeah, I think it made my skin glowy. So guys, yung fresh herb set, I bought it for 999 pesos kasi when I bought this, they were on sale, and as I said before, naka get one, free one, yung fresh herb set, and then yung fresh Cica clear toner set, 2,499 siya, and it was on sale kasi 3,600 talaga yung original price niya. So final thoughts, guys, I would say, hindi naman ako makakapagsabi ng review ko talaga since this is just my first impressions, and masasabi ko lang talaga yung pinaka-review ko after ilang beses ko na siya nagamit since it's a skincare routine. Pero so far so good kasi I really like the scent. Hindi siya strong scent. Maamoy mo lang siya kapag inamoy mo talaga yung bottle. Pero it's a minty scent and also a minty feeling sa face. So it's very relaxing. And I think sa gabi magugustuhan ko talaga to kasi nakaka-relax talaga siya. Yung feeling niya sa face. Parang I feel refreshed. So yeah. And I think na-moisturize naman talaga niya yung face ko. It's very moisturizing. And I also like na hindi siya masyadong creamy. Like the eye cream and itong clear cream. Creams sila pero hindi siya super parang thick kind of cream. Kaya that's why I really like it kasi madali lang sila i-apply sa face. So you don't need to drag your face and do more harm than good while doing skincare. So yeah, that's my take on this. And I really like their customer service. Kudos kay ate na nagbigay sa akin ng skincare routine. So yeah, so far, so good. And mag-update na lang ako, guys, if I'm still using this and what are my thoughts on it, or if meron bang nangyari sa face ko after siguro pag nagamit ko na siya a month or more. So yeah, that's my take on this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Sana nagustuhan niyo to. Bye!